bundle. It's called the Mac Pro bundle by Viva. I helped them get this because this is an amazing attachment. क्यों ये इतना amazing attachment है वो इसलिए because in a lat pull down machine सबकी width अलग होती है. अगर आप close रख सकते हो, wide रख सकते हो और wide रख सकते हो, सबका अलग होता है. So we can adjust this based on आपको कितना wide जा रहा है. For example, अगर मैं इसको बीच में रखता हूँ, that is the best position for me for a lat bias lat pull down. तो अगर इसको मैं ऐसे रखता हूँ, I can bring it down. This is all lat. So this is a far better way of doing a lat pull down than using a regular bar. अगर मैं regular bar करूँगा, it can use a lot of upper back या जो आपके हर एक का अलग मुश्किल होता है. We also have as part of the 8 Mac Pro bundle this upgraded version of Mac Grip. जो regular Mac Grip होती है, you either have it neutral grip या close grip या wide grip. But इसमें we have this adjustable knob जिससे आप you can change the grip as pronated, neutral या supinated. So अगर मैं चाहूँ, I can use it as reverse grip, which will target more of my lower lats. अगर मैं इसको न्यूट्रल रखता हूँ, it targets whole of my lats. अगर इसको मैं inwards रखता हूँ, it targets more of my upper back. So for example, I want to use this movement as my lower lat area. So this is a great one. ये हमारा shoulder width के लिए है. We also have 2 more with the same knob system, super close grip and the wider grip. So depending on what you like, what part of back you want to focus on, आप उसके हिसाब से अपनी Mac Grip use कर सकते हो. I am a huge fan of this one because बार-बार machine change करने की बजाय you can always just change the knob. और जैसे ही आप knob change करोगे, it will target a different part of the back. Now this is closer grip जो मैं अपने upper back के लिए ज़्यादा use कर सकता हूँ.
चॉकलेट खाना प्रेफर करूँगी आगे, तो चॉकलेट ही पी करूँगी.
This is something every gym should have because you can target different areas of back with just these 3 grips. And each grip can be used with 3 different angles. Inwards, neutral, outwards. Mac Pro bundle, we also have this attachment which is for tricep. Now, इसका फायदा क्या है? It's because अगर आप regular rope use करते हो, आपकी grip is a neutral grip. It doesn't target the outer end of the tricep as much. Because ये straight आपकी arm रहता है. So it restriction पूरा range of motion नहीं होता. To effectively train triceps, you want full range of motion ताकि not only यहाँ तक हो जाए, यहाँ से और पीछे तक जाए. So that you're getting the benefit of more range of motion. जिसकी वजह से this is why we have launched this grip. Now watch how my whole tricep works because of the longer attachment.
टाइम नहीं मिला
तो मुझे सारा बेनिफिट मिल रहा है जो स्ट्रेट आर्म से मिलता है, बट स्ट्रेट आर्म ऑल्सो यहाँ पे खत्म हो जाता है स्ट्रेट आर्म. I can do it here and I can keep extending it, which is what the long head of the tricep is. And हर एक की मोबिलिटी डिफरेंट होती है जिसकी वजह से आप इसको ऐसे रख सकते हो, ऐसे रख सकते हो, whatever जो आपकी पर्सनल बॉडी की मोबिलिटी है, you can use it accordingly.
उसके लिए
is as like a neutral जो आपकी regular grip होती है, you can grip it like that. तो अगर मुझे एक arm पे focus करना है to really stretch my lat out, and this is all lats isolation, so I can just do this. क्योंकि ये grip मेरे hand पे directly naturally जाती है. I don't need any lifting straps or wraps for a better grip. This itself is a great grip.